Good morning children, Sai Ram. Welcome back in our today's session of composition. So in the previous class of composition, we had learned about Christmas. And I know you all are enjoying and learning composition very well. So children, our today's topic is very interesting. So before I start with today's topic, I want you all to tell you children, yes, see this picture, standard one composition. Here, what you all can see? Tell me, observe. Yes, we can see few flowers, pictures of flowers and a bird. Can you name some birds, children? Name few birds. See the picture. Which bird is this? Yes, parrot. So there are many beautiful birds like peacock, parrot, pigeons, crow, okay, kingfisher. So parrot is one of the beautiful bird. So children, our today's topic of composition is parrot. Today we are going to learn how to write a composition about parrot. So children, look at the picture. Parrots are beautiful birds with colorful plums found in different parts of the world. See, if you see parrots sitting on the trees, we feel very happy. We go shouting, saying that see, there is a parrot, there is a parrot. So do you all like children this bird, parrot? Yes. So parrots are very beautiful birds. They have very colorful plums found in different parts of the world. Throughout the world, everywhere we can see different colorful parrots. See? Here you can see in the picture, parrots come in various colors. You can see red, yellow, green, blue. Okay, parrots come in various colors and sizes. But all species of parrots have curved beaks. If you see their beaks, see, their beaks are very curved and very sharp. Parrots eat nuts, fruits, flowers, seeds and insects. And an amazing fact is that they eat chilies. Do you all know children? See in the picture. They love to eat chilies. It's their favorite food. Parrots eat nuts also, fruits also, flowers also they eat. Seeds also they eat. You know they eat mangoes also. Fruits also they eat. But the amazing fact is they love to eat chilies. So it's their favorite food. See, have you seen a bird speaking? Parrots speaks. Parrots speak. See here, parrots are considered as intelligent birds because they can mimic human speech. They are very smart, affectionate and playful. Parrots are wonderful pets for bird lovers for all ages. Even we see most of the people, they keep birds in their houses. Especially they keep parrots in the cage. Now children, see, if you are writing composition, we can write first point. The parrot is a small beautiful bird. Parrot is not big as peacock, but the parrot is a small and beautiful bird. It has a long tail, which you can see in the picture, 2 legs and green color feathers. Its beak is curved and red. There is a round, thin black strip around its neck. See in the picture, children. Its beak is very curved and red. And there is a round, thin black strip around its neck. It eats grains and ripe fruits. It usually lives in the jungle. But nowadays we can see parrots in the cages also. It builds nest on the hollows of tall trees. Men love to keep it as pet for their talkativeness. It speaks few words very clearly. We should love and care for this bird. Peacock is such a beautiful bird. It speaks also very nicely. We love birds. We love parrot bird very much. So we should love and care for this bird. I hope children you all must have understood the today's topic and enjoyed too. Now you can pause the video and you can write all the points in your notebook. Thank you so much, children.